if you make changes to an ad to address policy issues, we can try to do that with this ad that's being disapproved for free desktop software. My suspicion is it's probably this download free guide call to action. So we'll delete that, remove the pen. Not sure if it does anything, but it's bothering me. So we're getting it out of there. And we'll pin this in the, we'll leave that open. Just have a quick look down here. Free guide might be causing a flag. We'll see. And so what you want to do is click Save Ad. And then call for an appeal, made changes. In this case, we're going to use the ad group level. If you make changes to all of the ads in that campaign, though, you'll want to do the campaign level. Don't do account level because you may accidentally appeal an ad that you've already appealed before. And if you've appealed that ad too many times, Google will flag your account for trying to bypass policy issues. So you have to be really careful about not appealing an ad too many times, right? Click reasons for appeal, change to comply with policy, submit, and boom. That's really important though, because if you do not submit the appeal, then Google will not review your ad, right? So your changes won't actually do anything. I should also add, I'm going to have a quick look at these just to show you the other type of appeal. This is an unclear image ad. I think in this case, Google might be wrong. The algorithm is often wrong. So what I'll do here is appeal, dispute decision, all affected ads in the account, submit. Always important to try this first because you might win the appeal and make that appeal as quickly as possible. Because once again, Google will not overturn that decision unless you've requested the appeal. Sweet. Hopefully that's informative. Let me know if you have any questions, leave a comment. Also, let me know if there are any other videos you'd like me to make. Cheers.